Alright, picture this. You're diving headfirst into the world of privacy-focused cryptocurrencies, and you stumble upon Beam Wallet. You're intrigued, right? But then, the big question hits you. Does Beam Wallet have a token? I mean, in this wild west of digital assets, it's a fair question, isn't it? We're all trying to figure out where our investments, or just our curiosity, should lead us. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's just take a quick step back. Beam Wallet, at its core, is designed for privacy. It's built on the Mimblewimble protocol, which is all about keeping your transactions confidential. Think of it like a cloak of invisibility for your digital money. No one can see how much you're sending or where it's going. That's a huge deal in a world where data breaches and surveillance seem to be the norm. And within this ecosystem, the token that powers it all, the lifeblood of Beam, is Beam. Yes, Beam is the native cryptocurrency of the Beam blockchain. It's not some separate, detached entity. It's integral. Now, here's where things get interesting. Beam isn't just some random token thrown into the mix. It serves a crucial purpose. It's used for transaction fees, it's used for rewarding miners who secure the network, and it's used for governance. So, it's not just a speculative asset, it's a functional part of the Beam ecosystem. But, you might be thinking, okay, so it has a token. But what's the deal with it? Well, Beam has a few unique characteristics. First off, it's designed with privacy in mind, just like the wallet itself. The Mimblewimble protocol ensures that transactions are private and confidential, making Beam a powerful tool for those who value their financial privacy. Secondly, Beam has a limited supply. Just like Bitcoin, there's a cap on how many Beam tokens will ever exist. This scarcity can potentially drive value over time. And it's important to understand this scarcity when considering the token's long-term viability. Thirdly, the community around Beam is pretty active. They're constantly working on improving the wallet, adding new features, and promoting adoption. That's a good sign for any cryptocurrency. A strong community can make all the difference. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, volatility. Like any cryptocurrency, Beam's price can fluctuate wildly. One day it's up, the next it's down. That's just the nature of the beast. So, if you're thinking about investing, do your research, understand the risks, and don't put in more than you can afford to lose. And remember, while the token is a core part of the Beam ecosystem, the real value proposition is the privacy it offers. In a world where financial surveillance is becoming increasingly common, that's a powerful selling point. So, to answer the initial question directly, yes, Beam Wallet operates with its native token, Beam. This token is essential for the functionality and security of the Beam blockchain, and it plays a vital role in the ecosystem. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.